Hello students, today we are doing own support admission seminar of one of good reputed universities of UK, University of West England. So मेरे साथ हैं representative of University of West England, Miss Neha. So welcome to my office, IQ Immigration first of all. So could you please let me know about your university, like why students choose University of West England? Could you please let me know?
Yes, thank you so much for inviting me today at IQ Immigration. So the best part about our university is our location. So Bristol, we are based out of Bristol, which is 90 minutes from London, and Bristol is part of the economic corridor. That's why it is attracting lots and lots of companies every year, and we have lots of part-time, full-time job opportunities for students inside campus, outside campus. This is one of our forte. Our student satisfaction rate is also one of the highest in the UK, 97%. And as far as the rankings of the university is concerned, we are top 7% in the world, top 250 in Europe and top 25 in the UK. We are a modern public university, but we are exclusively known for our student culture. So our students are very, very happy with the university, and I'm sure that I'll be seeing a lot of you on board for September 24 intake as well.
That's nice. Yes, Shashika, you have any question? You can also ask.
What type of courses you are offering to our students?
So it's full-time, part-time, both type of courses are there. But for Indian students, I would recommend full-time courses because for them only you will be getting a visa, right? So we do have more than 500 courses in our portfolio. Engineering being one of our top selling courses. So we do have artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, information technology, data science. These all are very, very popular courses. Apart from that, our healthcare course is also very popular. Nursing, physiotherapy, public health, all these courses are available.
Okay, now we have September intake, not any mid intake.
No.
So how we can convert students always बोलते हैं कि इतनी जल्दी क्यों apply करें? September is very far away. So how we can convince students to apply for September?
See, September intake, although दिखने में दूर लग रहा है, but students start applying 1 year in advance. उसका reason क्या है? Because UK universities give conditional offers, unconditional offers way in advance. आप टाइम से अप्लाई करोगे, टाइम से आपको ऑफर आएगा, आपका टाइम से कैश अप्लाई होगा, स्कॉलरशिप्स अप्लाई करोगे, एवरीथिंग इज ऑन फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट बेसिस. अकोमोडेशन भी भर जाती है. अगर आप अभी से अप्लाई करोगे तो ऑफर के बाद आप तुरंत अकोमोडेशन बुक कर पाओगे, टाइम पे आपका फ्लाइट टिकट बुक होगा. बाद में फ्लाइट टिकट्स भी बहुत एक्सपेंसिव हो जाते हैं.
Okay, and September cash when we can expect?
You can expect as early as April. We are planning
nice.
to give cash from April onwards, although it is not final yet, but there are very high chances that we'll start releasing from April onwards.
That's nice. What about scholarships?
Scholarships बहुत सारी available हैं, चाहे वो UG हो, चाहे PG हो. Some scholarships are there which we are giving on part time, as in जिसमें आपको apply करना पड़ता है. और कुछ ऐसी हैं जो ऑटोमेटिक है, जैसे इंटरनेशनल मेरिट स्कॉलरशिप विच इज एन ऑटोमेटिक स्कॉलरशिप. सो जैसे ही आप एप्लीकेशन डालोगे, ऑटोमेटिक हर स्टूडेंट कंसिडर होगा. इफ यू विल गेट एन ऑफर, आपके ऑफर लेटर पे ही लिखा हुआ आएगा कितने की स्कॉलरशिप आपको मिली है. सो इट इज अप टू £4,000.
Okay, and I think there are also top-up programs for undergrad degree. So what's the entry requirement for getting admission in that top-up?
Top-up programs is for those who have done 12 plus 3-year diploma.
Yes.
So जिन स्टूडेंट्स ने ये कोर्स किया हुआ है 3 साल का डिप्लोमा, वो टॉप अप डिग्री के लिए जा सकते हैं. इट्स अ लास्ट ईयर एंट्री फॉर अ अंडर ग्रेजुएट कोर्स.
Okay, तो फीस स्ट्रक्चर 1 ईयर का ही
फीस स्ट्रक्चर 1 ईयर ही है, 1 ईयर ही ड्यूरेशन है. तो 15 to 16,000 pounds इसकी फीस होती है, एंड इट्स वेरी मच इन डिमांड बिकॉज स्टूडेंट को एट द एंड ऑफ दैट ईयर पूरी यूजी की डिग्री मिलती है, जस्ट लाइक ऑल अदर स्टूडेंट्स जो कि 3 साल का कोर्स कर रहे हैं वहाँ पे सेम डिग्री मिलती है.
और टॉप अप प्रोग्राम्स के लिए डिप्लोमा बच्चों ने कौन सी ईयर पास आउट यू आर कंसीडरिंग?
रीसेंट, जितना रीसेंट हो सके उतना. अंडर सर्टन सर्कमस्टांसेस वी माइट एक्सेप्ट अप टू 2 years of gap. बट उसमें भी आपका कुछ ना कुछ होना चाहिए साइमल्टेनियसली कि आपने किया हो टू
Okay.
जस्टिफाई दैट गैप.
Because student always do some kind of jobs after
हाँ,
completion of
हाँ.
3 years diploma. They can show it
They
for
can
evidence
show-
of gap
Yes,
year.
yes. But we would need proper work experience letters for that.
Mhm.
Cash in hand नहीं चलेगा.
Okay, salary statements and all.
हाँ.
That's good. Nice. Anything else, Yashika? Accommodation part. Yeah, sometimes students face problem of accommodation. Bristol के अंदर students के relative है London, Birmingham. So Bristol, they are always asking about accommodation. How they can do accommodation arrangement and all in your university.
We offer one of the largest and one of the cheapest accommodations in the UK. April onwards accommodation खुल जाएंगी. अगर student time से apply करेंगे तो accommodation आपको as low as 3 to 4 lakh per annum में आप accommodation book कर सकते हो. And it is equipped with all the facilities. चाहे आपको catered चाहिए, catered as in जिसमें आपको food वगैरह मिलेगा. अगर आपको attached washroom चाहिए जिसको हम en-suite rooms बोलते हैं. So सारे facilities available हैं. Starting from £90 per week, going up till £450 per week also. Depends कि आपको किस तरह की
And it
facility
will be
चाहिए.
private accommodation or
It is all university accommodation
accommodation.
and कुछ separate individual accommodations हैं, कुछ student villages हैं. Student villages are slightly bigger in size. You will get more number of students in those areas. और वो outside campus होते हैं, which is very very near the university. तो 5-10 minutes walking distance पे होते हैं. और अगर आप inside campus पे रहते हो तो वो तो बहुत ही पास होते हैं class के. Yeah.
That's why. So students can get easily accommodation
Easily.
but in university
Easily,
campus
yes.
only.